Hey, do you know anything about the Landlord and Tenant Board? Well, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the Tribunal. If you enjoyed watching videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. The Landlord and Tenant Board of Ontario is a tribunal. It's a court-like setting in which both parties will meet in front of an adjudicator, which is also known as a judge. The adjudicator is an impartial third party that hears matters pertaining to tenancy. The mandate of the Landlord and Tenant Board are two things. Number one, it's to protect against unlawful evictions. Number two, it's to protect against unlawful rent increases. The reason why many landlords do not like the Landlord and Tenant Board is because there are a lot of landlords that don't follow the rules, or they don't know the rules of the Residential Tenancies Act. That's why they feel that the Landlord and Tenant Board is always on the side of the tenant. There are two ways to resolve a matter at the Landlord and Tenant Board. Number one is to go in front of the adjudicator, and number two is to go to mediation. If you go in front of the adjudicator, that impartial third party has control over the outcome of your matter. If you go to mediation, you have more control over the outcome of your matter. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up or a like. And don't forget, if you have a comment and question, leave it below.